Hey guys, so we got some stuff for you today. It's actually going to be pretty easy, I think. Multiplying, dividing positive and negative numbers. Okay, it's going to be pretty easy. You're just going to need to learn the trick. So when we are multiplying, two negative threes, that's negative 3, and then negative 3 again, negative 6. Okay, if we are dividing, how many times does 2 go into negative 6? We're just reversing what was done here. Our answer is negative 3. Okay, nice and easy. However, if we're trying to see how many times negative 3 goes into negative 6, we're going to get a positive 2. Okay, because it goes into it 2 times. Okay, it doesn't go into it negative 2 times, it just goes into it 2 times. There are 2 negative 3's in negative 6. It's similar to sort of like absolute value and how that shakes out. So the main trick here to know is negative times a negative is actually positive. A negative divided by a negative, also positive. And if we were to do negative divided by a positive, or positive divided by a negative, negative times a positive, or positive times a negative, all of these are going to equal negative. Okay, so positive times positive is positive, of course. Positive divided by positive, still positive. Negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. So if they're the same signs, no matter which signs they are positive. Okay? If 1 is negative, the answer is going to be negative. At least in the case of multiplying and dividing. With positive, or with addition, it's a whole different deal. Okay, so here's same sort of deal, same sort of rules, whichever works best for you. I don't think you guys will have too much issues with it. Negative, negative, that's going to be a positive. Positive times a negative, that's going to be negative. Negative divided by a positive, that's going to be negative. And then negative divided by a negative, that there is going to be positive. Okay. Ironically, this mathematical concept has changed our language in English. Originally in English, if one thing was negative, so saying like, ain't nothing going on. If you said ain't nothing going on, that's like Middle English, okay? Nothing, negative, negative going on. That means nothing's going on, okay? In more modern English, what they did was they thought that they tried to add mathematical concepts to English, and so they're like, well, if you don't have any nothing going on, then it must be positive, so something's going on. Okay, it's a whole ridiculous thing that people tried to do, but originally our language had agreement where if one thing was negative, it's all negative, and we have since changed. So now our language is kind of a mismatch. Anyway, so that's a fun thing about English that relates to this, but of course, there's nothing you have to know for the assignment. So yeah, let's see. What do I want you to do today? I think yeah, let's see. I'm going to give you a little difference with the work. So I want you to do 1 through 5 all. Okay. And then I want you to do 16 through 30 all. Okay. So 20 questions, give or take. Oh, no, I guess it's, yeah, 20 questions, give or take. 19 questions, really. A little bit more than normal, but not terrible. Okay? Think you guys got it. Have a good one, my dudes.